Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question from linear algebra based on the concept of dual space and dual basis. Question is, find a dual basis of the basis containing vectors 2, 1, 3, 1 of the matrix space R2. In order to find the dual basis of the given basis of R2, firstly we need to recall these two concepts. First one is of dual space. Given a vector space V, the dual space V star is the set of all linear transformations phi from vector space V to field F, where phi is called a linear functional. Next is dual basis. If B containing vectors V1, V2 and so on Vn is a basis of vector space V, then B star containing functionals phi1, phi2 up to so on phi n is a basis of vector space V star, that is dual space of V, where these phi I are defined like this, that is image of vector Vi under phi I is 1 and image of vector Vj under phi I will be 0. We are going to use this definition to find the dual basis of the given basis. Here we have vector space V is R2 and B containing vectors V1 equals to 2, 1 and V2 equals to 3, 1 is a basis of R2. Let us consider B star containing functionals phi1 and phi2 is a dual basis of basis B. So we have image of vector V1 under phi1 will be 1, that is image of vector 2, 1 under phi1 will be 1. Now this 2, 1 can be written as 2 times vector 1, 0 plus 1 times vector 0, 1, where these vectors 1, 0 and 0, 1 are standard basis of R2. So we get this. Now as phi1 is a linear functional, so it is a linear transformation. So using properties of linear transformation, this can be written as 2 times image of vector 1, 0 under phi1 plus 1 times image of vector 0, 1 under phi1 equals to 1, and call this expression as 1. Next we have image of vector V2 under phi1 will be 0, that is image of vector 3, 1 under phi1 will be 0. Again this 3, 1 can be written as 3 times vector 1, 0 plus 1 times vector 0, 1. So we get this. Now also again phi1 is a linear transformation, so this can be written as 3 times image of vector 1, 0 under phi1 plus 1 times image of vector 0, 1 under phi1 equals to 0. Call this expression as 2. Then solving equations 1 and 2 for these two expressions, we get image of vector 1, 0 under phi1 equals to minus 1 and image of vector 0, 1 under phi1 equals to 3. Next we have image of vector V1 under phi2 will be 0. So image of vector 2, 1 under phi2 will be 0. That is image of this linear combination equals to 0, where 2, 1 can be written as in terms of standard basis vectors 1, 0 and 0, 1. So we get this. Also phi2 is a linear functional, so it is a linear transformation, so this can be written as 2 times image of vector 1, 0 under phi2 plus 1 times image of vector 0, 1 under phi2 equals to 0. Call this equation as 3. Next we have image of vector V2 under phi2 will be 1, that is image of vector 3, 1 under phi2 equals to 1. Now 3 can be written like this in terms of standard basis vector, so we get this expression. Now again phi2 is a linear transformation, so this can be written as 3 times image of vector 1, 0 under phi2 plus 1 times image of vector 0, 1 under phi2 equals to 1. Call this expression as 4. Then solving 3 and 4, we get image of vector 1, 0 under phi2 equals to 1 and image of vector 0, 1 under phi2 equals to minus 2. Now we have got images of standard basis vectors for phi1 and phi2. Now consider any arbitrary vector, say xy in R2. Now we know that any vector xy in R2 can be written in terms of standard basis vector as xy equals to x times vector 1, 0 plus y times vector 0, 1. So image of vector xy under phi1 will be x times image of vector 1, 0 under phi1 plus y times image of vector 0, 1 under phi1 using linearity of phi1. Now we know that image of vector 1, 0 under phi1 is minus 1 and image of vector 0, 1 under phi1 is 3. We have found this thing. So image of vector xy under phi 1 will be minus x plus 3y. Again, image of vector xy under phi 2 will be x times image of vector 1 0 plus y times image of vector 0 1 under phi 2 using linearity of phi 2. Now we know that image of vector 1 0 under phi 2 is 1 and image of vector 0 1 under phi 2 is minus 2. So image of vector xy under phi 2 will be x minus 2y. Here we have got images of any arbitrary vector xy in R2 for phi 1 and phi 2 linear functionals. Therefore, the set B star containing functionals phi 1 and phi 2 where image of vector xy under phi 1 is minus x plus 3y and image of vector xy under phi 2 is x minus 2y. These two functionals will form a required dual basis of R2 and this completes our result.